Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Nissan Altima transmission. First, ensure you have all necessary tools, including a sturdy transmission jack and a reliable torque wrench. Safety is paramount, so properly lift your vehicle and secure it on robust jack stands. Before beginning any removal, completely drain the old transmission fluid into an appropriate container. This preparation ensures a smoother and safer replacement process. Once the fluid is drained, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors and the shift linkage from the transmission. Next, you'll need to remove both drive axles and the starter motor to clear the way. With these components out, support the transmission with your jack and systematically unbolt it from the engine block. Take your time to ensure all fasteners are removed before lowering. Now, with the old unit out, carefully position the new transmission onto the jack. Align it precisely with the engine block and secure it with the bolts, tightening them to the manufacturer's specifications. Reinstall the starter, drive axles, and all electrical connections. Finally, fill the new transmission with the exact type and amount of CVT fluid specified for your vehicle. After installation, lower the vehicle and perform a thorough check for any leaks around the transmission pan and lines. Verify the fluid level is correct using the dipstick. Then, take your Altima for a test drive, listening for any unusual noises and ensuring smooth gear engagement. For more great deals and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, please see the link in the description below. This final check ensures everything is working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.